Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Acura TL headlight bulb. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a floor jack, 2 jack stands, and a lug wrench. You will also need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a 10mm socket. Remember to wear clean gloves when handling the new bulb. For your safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before beginning any electrical work on your vehicle. Now, let's get to the headlight. Begin by safely lifting the front of your car with a jack and securing it on 2 sturdy jack stands. Next, remove both front wheels. This gives you ample space to work. You will then need to remove the inner fender liners by prying out several plastic clips and screws. For the most straightforward access to the headlight assembly, it is often easiest to carefully remove the entire front bumper. With the headlight assembly exposed, you can now access the bulb. First, disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the back of the headlight. Then, twist the large, round black cover counterclockwise to remove it. Next, carefully twist and pull off the igniter unit. You will see 2 small metal retaining springs. Push them in and away to release the old bulb. Gently pull the old bulb straight out, then insert the new bulb, ensuring the notches align correctly. Remember, do not touch the glass of the new bulb with bare hands. Once the new bulb is in place, secure it with the metal retaining springs and reattach the igniter. Twist the black protective cover clockwise until it locks firmly. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the headlight assembly. Now, carefully reinstall the front bumper and the fender liners, making sure all clips and screws are properly secured. Finally, reconnect your vehicle's battery and test both headlights to confirm they are working correctly before lowering your car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.